everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. I have an unbagging and an unboxing. So let's see what we got today. And Ted got his birthday watch, and that will be here on the 22nd. So he's pretty happy about that. Alright, let's go ahead, and I got my blade. Let's see what we got here. Oh my gosh. Yikes. That's crazy. Everybody getting ready for Halloween and all that fun stuff in the pandemic, so that should be exciting. Alright, let's see here. Woo! Finally! Alright, let's see what we got here. Came in a little box like that. Oh, okay, this is the charger for Ted's Mac Air. Yeah, it comes like that, and then that goes into his computer. So that came fairly quick. Alright, so that's...
At least I got something.
Thank God.
Finally.
Alright.
Don't get much.
Yeah. Box number 2. Yeah, and hopefully I'm going to retire next year, so I got to get everything that's on my wish list before I retire. So we'll see how that goes. Got my blade. Alright, this is from Coach. Okay, so let's see what I got here. Got a few items for the pandemic. They had 25% off. So I got a couple of pouches, and I got a little bag charm. And you get a little thing like that, so I'll leave all the information below. And let's go ahead and unbag them, see what they look like. Yeah, I figured it's going to be a pandemic for a long time, so you might as well have a couple of clear pouches that you can put stuff in so it doesn't like wreck your bag. So they had 25% off, plus the stuff was already marked down anyways, so it worked out pretty good. So let's see here. Okay, this is like a little pouch, like a little coin pouch. Alright, and that's all leather. Okay. Comes already stuffed. That's pretty good size. Pebble leather, red. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Got some snaps on the back. And that just clips on. Okay. And then that's just like a little toggle. Alright, well, that's pretty cool. Okay, and they give you a tag. And then they give you the care, basically. How to care for it, etc. Alright, so that's pretty cool. And they had 2 of these left. These are really hard to get, but they're kind of cool actually. Great for travel. Came with the tag. This is pink lemonade. And it's all clear, so you can actually just put your stuff in here. Comes with the leather tab. It's not detachable. And then the tag is here. And then, let's see if I can get the tag off here. And they also have a tote too, but I didn't want the tote. I just wanted the, see, that's pretty cool actually. Has the CCs for Coach. This is bigger than I thought. I thought it was gonna be like a little cosmetic thing, but actually this is like a clutch. Yeah, that's way bigger than I thought. Right. Then you can just wipe it off and you don't have to worry about anything getting ruined in your bag. And then it has a leather on the bottom, leather trim, PVC. And then the other one's the same except for this is in midnight blue. And they come wrapped up fairly good too, which is nice. Yeah, this is darker. And this has like a teal wristlet strap. That'd be pretty in a purse, wouldn't it? That's nice. Same zipper pull, basically. Yep. And that's the midnight blue style. And like I said, they had the tote to match. It's about a size of a Neverfull. So that would be good if you're gonna be like taking it to work or whatever, but I didn't really, I just wanted the these plastic pouches. I didn't really want the tote, but it was a good price. All right, so that's my unboxing for today. If you're new to my channel, welcome in, like, subscribe, share, and comment is always appreciated. Make sure that you hit the bell to be notified every time I upload videos. And please subscribe, because when I hit 500 subscribers, I'm going to do a pretty cool giveaway, so you definitely don't want to miss out on that. And Ted always says hi. People appreciate him saying hi in the background.
Oh yeah.
He has his own fan club, so there you go. What can I do? All right, well, I hope everybody has a safe holiday coming up. And once again, thanks for watching. Susan from Senior Style, from a senior point of view. Have a great day, guys. Thanks for watching.